Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 31. The practice of growing different crops on a piece of land in an orderly manner year after year is called dash. A. Crop production, B. Crop maintenance, C. Crop improvements, and D. Crop rotation. So we are asked to pick an option which is described as the practice of growing different crops on a piece of land in an orderly manner year after year. And for us to pick this option, let's analyze the options given to us by checking out the definition. And option A here says crop production. Now crop production here is simply the same thing as saying crop cultivation. It's a synonym for crop cultivation, and this is a branch of agriculture that deals with what? That deals with the growing, that is planting or growing of plants. Remember, agriculture, we say, is the science that deals with what? With the growing or cultivation of crops and also the rearing of animals. So crop production is just an aspect of agriculture that deals with what? The production of plants, that is growing plants. Now B here says crop maintenance. Now crop maintenance just simply refers to the art or practice of taking care of crop plants, that is by keeping these plants safe from diseases, from pests. So that's what crop maintenance is. For example, weeding is a practice of crop maintenance. Spraying of herbicides, insecticides, so what's to help maintain what the health status of these crops is under crop maintenance. Now see here says crop improvements. Now crop improvements is just simply what? The practice or act of improving plant production. Those activities that are done to improve what? Plant production, such as application of fertilizers. That falls under what? Crop improvements. Now D here says crop rotation. Now crop rotation is the practice of growing series of different crops in the same area across a sequence of growing season. So crop rotation is the practice of growing different types of crops in the same area across growing season, and this is to ensure that a particular nutrient of the soil is not exhausted. Now take for instance, maybe this year you plant maize, and we know that maize makes use of nitrogen in the soil. Now the following growing season, what happens? Instead of planting maize, you plant beans, so that this nitrogen won't be used up completely by this maize. So that's the essence of crop rotation. Now the question says the practice of growing different crops on a piece of land in an orderly manner year after year is called, and from this description of these following options, you will agree with me that option D, crop rotation, is the answer to this question. That is, it is the practice of growing different crops on a piece of land in an orderly manner year after year to ensure that a particular nutrient is not exhausted from the soil. So D, crop rotation, is the answer to this question. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.